Grandmacore celebrates the grace found in patina, heritage, and memories, making it ideal for enthusiasts of antique beauty and countryside sophistication. Through meaningful antiques, natural elements, botanical motifs, and comfortable touches, you'll design spaces that radiate hospitality, warmth, and distinctive character. Whether you're captivated by heritage pieces' romance or nature-based decor's tranquil qualities, Grandmacore provides an enduring style that creates true comfort in any home. Nothing captures Grandmacore's spirit better than creating inviting spots perfect for enjoying literature. Set aside a special area as your personal retreat. Include heritage seating or a plush chair, soft knitted throws, and a vintage stand for beverages. Place a textured area rug to define the zone. Arrange this haven near natural light with flowing drapes, or incorporate an antique standing lamp for evening hours. Display beloved books alongside meaningful vintage timepieces or collectibles to perfect your sanctuary. Illumination plays a vital role in Grandmacore spaces. Gentle golden light creates that essential welcoming feeling. Consider antique pendant lights, classic ceramic lamps, and fairy lights creating a gentle radiance. For added heritage appeal, select fixtures featuring copper or bronze elements, or choose nostalgic pieces with decorated ceramic stands. Install adjustable lighting to control the atmosphere, from gentle background illumination for unwinding to focused light for activities. Traditional candles in antique holders or repurposed jars contribute additional warmth. Select naturally scented options featuring botanical or woodland fragrances to deepen the comfortable feeling. A signature element of Grandmacore style is its embrace of botanicals and heritage prints. Whether it's botanical fabric on seating, decorative wallpaper, or embroidered pillows, these touches bring grace and delicate beauty into countryside spaces. Countryside elements form the backbone of this decorating style. Natural timber, particularly salvaged wood, is central to establishing an authentic yet refined environment. Consider exposed ceiling beams, sliding farmhouse doors, and pieces featuring untreated, aged finishes. Timber elements like a worn farmhouse table, an antique cabinet, or traditional country seating can ground your room while providing authentic countryside appeal. The heart of Grandmacore lies in meaningful discoveries, items with their own histories. Hunt through antique markets, second-hand boutiques, and family collections for special furnishings such as worn velvet chairs, botanical print coffee tables, or antique floor lamps. These treasures bring genuine personality and soul into your living space. The Grandmacore aesthetic features gentle, natural shades that immediately create a welcoming environment. Consider pale ivory, subdued taupe, dusty pink tones, and rich caramels. These palettes echo the warmth of spaces that have been cherished through generations. Paired with antique furnishings and classic fabrics, these colours establish a setting rich in memory and comfort. Do you find yourself drawn to the timeless appeal of antique treasures, countryside elements, and welcoming living spaces? Then embracing the Grandmacore aesthetic might be just what you need to transform your home. This design approach honors comfort, memories, and playful character, taking cues from countryside cottages, cherished antiques, and organic textures. Whether you're designing a single corner or your entire living space, these vintage-inspired decorating tips will guide you in crafting rooms filled with warmth, story,